Hello, if you want to use multi-exposure mode in the camera on the Samsung S26 Ultra, you can do this by opening More Modes and opening Expert RAW mode. When you've got it, you have to go for this icon in the right bottom corner and click just over here. And as you can see, we can set the shutter for continuous or a manual. And now we can also change the overlay, so add over, average, bright, dark, and also we can set the exposure. By clicking on the information icon, by the way, you can also find a short description, and here you can also find some other parameters like white balance, exposure compensation, focus, and you can find all of the available lenses. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you can just simply start using it and you will just get your results. Of course, by clicking here you can also find, for example, the zebra pattern or false colors, and you can change the photo resolution even to 200 megapixel mode. And that's basically everything for this short video.